Wishing you a very happy Dashera. Dashera signifies good over evil. Well, today I am going to talk about the good of realizing your creative skills that are inside you and overcoming the evil of procrastination and converting it into a profitable business. Stay till the end as I am going to tell you the easiest way to earn using your creative skills. Today I am going to discuss about how you can use your creative skills and gain financial freedom. So creativity is as difficult to assess as it is fun to analyze. What does it mean actually? Where does creative thinking come from? Is it a skill that you can learn or is it more of a genetic trait? These are all questions that have boggled our minds and the minds of scientists and psychologists for centuries. Different people think about creativity in different ways, so it's not surprising that they can't agree on its value and importance. We value and admire painters, sculptors, dancers, and poets for their creativity and their creations. But have you looked inside you and realized the creativity in you? Have you seriously thought of monetizing it? Have you always wondered and wanted to make that extra income but looked outside instead of looking within yourself? Last 1.5 years has been very tough for all of us. It was nothing less than a nightmare for me financially. Being a fashion designer and a boutique owner, my business came down to zero in one night. During this period, one thing didn't stop though. Do you know what that was? Yes, you guessed it right. The bills. It didn't stop. We had to continue paying the rent, the electricity bills, the school's kids' fees, EMIs, etc., and what not. How much do you save for a rainy day to keep yourself afloat for more than a year with close to nil income? How much do you save? So, if I say that I understand where you are and where you are coming from, and I feel that, I really do. It wasn't just me. I saw so many creative people's business dwindle because of lockdown. I researched extensively and went over all the courses that I had enrolled to in the last 6 to 7 years. The answers were all right there. So here are the 7 ways or vehicles to make a living out of your creative skills. And they are as follows. You can write ebooks on your domain or your niche. So suppose a book is priced at 350 rupees and you somehow manage to sell 238 copies a month, you straight away make 10 lakhs rupees a year. You can create your digital or physical products like digital painting or physical artwork, home decor products, and sell them on e-com sites like Etsy, where buyers are looking for handmade or unique digital products. Third is you can start a paid membership site or a mastermind group to help people with your skills. Fourth, you can create tools and templates like patterns for dressmaking or embroidery templates, Instagram filters, or maybe a Facebook calendar with content ideas, etc. Fifth point, you can have 3 to 5 day seminars or events or boot camps. Nowadays you can do it on Zoom itself, that is online itself. So suppose each membership is priced at rupees 1000 and you are somehow able to enroll 83 students or registrants in a month, you straight away make 10 lakh rupees a year. Sixth point, keynote speaking by invitation only, which can happen on online or in a live session. So that is possible only if you have established your credibility in your domain or your niche and people want to know more from you. Seventh, this is the one that I love, this is the closest to my heart, and that is digital home study courses. So assume you create a course and every course is priced at 5,000 rupees. If you sell only 17 courses a month, you straight away are able to make 10 lakh rupees a year. This is the best way to earn. You don't have to rent an office space, as you don't have to step out of your house for this, because you can do it from the comfort of your house. So you put all your skills and knowledge into a course and sell that to earn that life of financial freedom. To know more, you can visit my website, that is sujatadatta.com, or you can click on the website link that is in the description box below. I have regular webinars as well to guide you through the process. You can register to one of my masterclasses on the website itself. If you have liked this video, please do like, share and comment. And if you have yet not subscribed, do subscribe to my channel for regular updates. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.